We all... Hi, baby. I want to show your wheel. No? No. Hey everyone, it is day 4 of Vlogmas. It's Sunday, so today we have to do a whole lot of prepping for the week's lunches. It is early. Nah, it's not early in the morning. It's like about 10 o'clock. It's about 10 o'clock. I just got up a couple of maybe minutes ago. I just had my first cup of coffee and I'm actually feeling good. We went to sleep a little bit earlier last night, woke up a little bit later, and we have a lot of prepping to do today. So today's vlog is going to be a little bit of that. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are interested in watching like the actual prepping work that gets done for the week's lunches. I'm down to show you guys. I think that's kind of, I personally think you guys would be bored with it, but hey, you never know. So I'm thinking tamales. It's the season to be jolly. So we're gonna go buy masa for tamales, stuff to make tamales. Obviously, I was craving a menudo this morning, but then I changed my mind. I don't know what I'm craving now. I'm about to make a quick breakfast, get ready because I have some filming to do for something else, and that's gonna be today. So let's go. I'm still here at the house. I haven't left. It feels like I've done nothing, but believe it or not, I did a whole lot of voiceovers. I have lots of content and footage that I haven't posted because I don't have voiceovers. It's just really hard. Sometimes, you know, I hit you here and there with a little bit of ASMR, something that I like, but I know you guys don't like it. There's a fly in here. I paid her to fly around me while I talk to you guys. What do you guys do when you get ready? Like, what is it your thing? Do you guys listen to music? Do you guys listen to podcasts? What is your thing? My little sister, when she goes with me places, she listens to music and it drives me nuts. I am very, I don't know how to explain to you. I'm a little on the different side. Like, I like music, but I don't like to listen to music when I'm doing certain things that cause a lot of concentration because I can't concentrate. I like to listen to music whenever I'm at the gym and I'm working out. I just zone everybody by listening to music. But I have different styles of music that I listen to. I like to listen to murder mystery channels. Like, I love crime shows. Crime, anything to do with crime, like I love it. I love watching it and I get very, very paranoid. Guys, this is like my favorite foundation of all times. It is the L'Oreal Inflatable. I use shade 445 and it is honestly the best foundation. Well, not the best of all best, like, oh my gosh, like all other foundation needs to be canceled. No, it is the best foundation that I've used. But anyways, I'm trying to hurry up because it's already 2 o'clock and I got a lot of things to do. I'm just gonna do my face really fast, like real fast. I'm gonna come back when my face is fully on. Guys, we got Chochi in the house. Okay, come on, you're gonna go to the store. She's trying to steal Joseph, but Joseph said, no thanks. You're no fun. I'm gonna go with his mom. Bye, Stinky. I love you. Kisses. Be good. Bye, losers. Bye. Huh? Bye, peasants. Oh, shit. I thought I dropped my contonings. I had the little TikTok headband, but I took it off. But I'm low-key upset, guys. I was supposed to go buy masa for tamales, and they ran out of masa. But I wanted to make tamales. I was supposed to start right now, and they ran out of masa. So we're gonna go to Tulare, get a couple of things there, go to Walmart, get a couple of things there, and then I also want to go down to Mooney's and try out that the seafood boil place just to see how good it is. They also have a churro stand there, so we might do that also and put those tamales on hold till tomorrow morning. I don't know, we'll see what's gonna happen. What do you have, my baby? Drinks. They're not drinks for babies. Those are drinks for mommies and brother only, not for you. Put them back. Do you guys have like a pre-workout recommendation? Cause
I want this one, but
guys, I found a ladybug. I heard that is good luck. What's funny? What's funny?
Joseph, came to the Walmart?
That's his favorite.
We're at the Walmart again.
You love Walmart?
Second time this week.
More like third.
Third? When was the third time? Today's the fourth. I don't know. So Alejandra is looking for what are you looking for?
Stuff to make a pozole and pozole/menudo.
Pozole/menudo.
Put the pickles back.
Joseph over here grabbing pickles. Like,
Oh,
no, you're gonna drop
break
that.
it.
About to drop this.
Okay, put it in the cart.
Big ass mess.
Put it in
Okay,
the cart.
take these.
Yeah.
Pickles. Let me see. What do you want?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Dang, dude. And we got some Cheez-Its.
Yummy goldfish.
Yummy goldfish.
Tiny.
Joseph is over there screaming like Tarzan. All that energy and he still wants that chocolate right there.
Videos?
What are those, chips?
For the videos.
Oh, for the video. Dang, dude. Here, let me grab those.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Throw them in there.
Goldfish.
Just drop them. Let them go.
Having technical difficulties.
I shot it.
Let's go. Get on.
I shot
Check it out. He's on the little thing on there.
I got a chocolate.
You want your chocolate? Okay.
Look.
Here, the more stuff you have in your hands, the less stuff you grab. So we're here to get dog food.
No cat food.
There's no cat food, no dog food. We already passed the aisle, but so we had to get that other one, but we don't usually get that one. We just got that one because that's all they had. But cat food is low. Damn, dude, let me see. You finished it? Shh. You're gonna get all the muscles. Joseph, how many muscles? Joseph, how many muscles?
I do muscles.
2 muscles. Where?
2 muscles.
On your arm?
Right
Damn.
here. 2 muscles.
Yeah, okay. Cupcakes.
Oh, Mama needs one of those for tamales.
Make cupcakes.
To make cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Too bad Mama doesn't know how to make cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Not for you.
I thought you were gonna be like, is that a challenge? You know, like Mufasa?
Joseph, what's the name of this dinosaur?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. Why?
Triceratops.
Why?
Why, Joseph?
Why is it? Why? 3 horns.
3 horns.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a piggy bank. Dang. You could put all your change in there since you have a bunch of it.
Baby pig.
Baby
bank.
Triceratops.
Hey, it's mine. It's my Triceratops.
Catch.
Is that a heavy blanket? Oh, you mother.
That's
6
cute, huh?
pounds.
For Joseph.
Chucky.
Let's keep him sleeping. Catch. Catch. Catch.
Stop
Is
it.
that a...
Stop cats. Stop cats. Stop.
Hey, Joseph, you ready to go?
Stop cats.
Let's go, Puppy, because I'm hungry.
Mommy.
I want to go get some seafood.
All right, let's go.
Mommy.
Until the next. So here we are at the Sequoia Mall. About to get some food from these truck places. Let's see what we're gonna get.
We're going to get some churros and seafood oil.
Your favorite. So we're in line right now waiting for like we already ordered. We're in line
We're gonna place
to
an
order whatever that place is called.
Jose out here recording my double chins. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have it on widescreen.
On the widescreen. So they have this place right here, and they have like the birria ramen. I really want to try that. This one's just regular like Mexican food, and then they have like the crab seafood boil over here. So I'm gonna do the ramen from this place, Taco San Marcos, and then the crab from there, and they also have churros over there. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you.
Joseph is out here sitting on the ground.
Joseph, did you break? Jose and Josiah got the loaded fries. I got me the tacos. Damn. I got me the tacos. I also got the crab. So let's check it out. Alright. So these are the quesabirria tacos.
Hey, Bobby. Like, hey,
They're hooking up. Oh man, and I thought they were gonna give me the consomme, and it said free consomme.
I eat taco.
You want taco? Here.
You have to ask for it?
Yeah.
Eat it. Eat it. I think so. I think I had to ask for it. Eat it. We got the red salsa. We all. I mean I also got the shrimp one and a taco de asada. I want to try the asada one because Jose said that asada was really good. Oh, it's cheese. They put cheese in it too. I thought it was just like a regular taco.
Mommy, it's sweet.
Let's try the asada one. Let's try the al pastor because I want to try the seafood one.
Right.
Damn, if I would have known these were like big old papa tacos, I would have just ordered fucking 2. This one's the shrimp one. I think the birria one won. And that juice, because I know that's what I'm gonna get. This is supposedly like extra spicy, so I'm gonna go in the corn because I know the corn's gonna have all that juice.
Slob on my knob. That corn on the top.
Now the shrimps. It's good, it's good, it's good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can get an alert every time we post videos. And that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.